Using threads can make our program much more efficient, but sometimes if you don't use threads correctly, you can encounter some issues. For example, take a look at this. Here we have our process, and inside of this process we have our main thread, and along with the main thread we have two other distinct threads. And here we have a shared array, and when threads try to access the same region of memory, issues can happen. Take a look at our code. Here we have our shared array, and we have also two threads which will access this array. And here in our function, before modifying the array, we check if there are any items left inside of the array. But once we run this code, we get an error which says you cannot pop or remove data from an empty array. We got this issue because that the threads are not synchronized, and in order to fix it, we should add a lock, so only one thread at a time will be able to access this shared data structure. So let's import the lock first of all, and we will implement it in our code. So I will call it items lock. And the first thing we should do is use it in our function, of course. So I will do with items lock and nest our code inside. And let's see the results now. And as you can see, we don't have this type of error anymore. Back then, the threads were not synchronized with our shared array correctly, and now only one thread can access it at a time. And because of that, we managed to solve our previous issue.